Good afternoon and good morning to my class. So I'm talking today about the word stress, which is actually the word from yesterday, Monday. I was out yesterday, so I wasn't able to do the video. So the word stress, it has three meanings on our card, two noun meanings and one verb meaning. And the one meaning that we probably all know is the noun meaning, definition one, pressure or worry caused by the problems in somebody's life. So when something makes you worried. And then definition two on our card is special importance given to something. So that's like emphasis in Spanish. So and then definition three is a verb, to emphasize, enfatizar, to say that something is important. So so if you look at our Spanish translations, estrés and tensión are the first translations for the first definition, énfasis for the second, and enfatizar for the third. And examples, I have an example with the first sentence. Students can go outside and take a walk to relieve stress. Relieve means make it better for a problem. Second definition is the second sentence that starts with at EP. At EP, there is a lot of stress. That's a lot of importance. A lot of emphasis. We really care about it. That's why, for example, you have 2 periods of English, where a lot of schools only have 1 period of English in high school, because we want to put stress, emphasis on reading, writing, and speaking in English. Those are important skills, especially for language learners, which many of you are. And then definition 3, the verb, is to emphasize the action, emphasize, enfatizar, a fact or idea. So we could say the teacher stressed the need to study. The teacher said studying is important. That's what that means, to say that something is important. And word families, stressful is an adjective, full is an adjective ending, stressed is an adjective, and unstressful is an adjective. So stressful means, if you think full means like full of, stressful, full of stress. So you talk, it's for an activity. That activity causes stress. It's a stressful activity. Like a test could be stressful for some people. Stressed describes, well, it can describe a person who has a lot of stress, definition 1, or stressed can be like talking about the idea that was stressed. That's using it like a past participle, right? Like the stressed idea would be like the idea that was stressed, coming from the verb meaning 3. So like the idea that was, the stressed idea could be the idea that was important, that somebody said was important. Synonyms for stress: anxiety for the first one, emphasis or importance for the second definition, and emphasize and accentuate for the third definition. Antonyms: unimportance or insignificance for the second definition, attenuate, weaken, or ignore for the third definition. And the sentence over here, if you do not stress vocabulary study, that means if you do not say that vocabulary study is important, give it importance, the verb, the action, you will have great stress, pressure, worry during your final exam. So that's it for stress. Thank you very much for watching.